Good afternoon, and let's have a look at what the markets are up to this afternoon. And seems like this Monday afternoon the Indian benchmark indices are trading higher, led by the gains across the board, as well as positive global cues also coming in, which is supporting the market as well. Now overall, the broader markets also, like that is mid-cap and small-cap indices, also seem to be supporting the rally. Mid-cap, small-cap up also as much as 1% in trade today. Talking about the benchmark indices, Sensex has rallied as much as around 600 points in trade, trading around the 48,400 levels, while Nifty is up more than 150 points, trading around the 14,500 levels as well. So surely a positive up move today. The Indian markets trading in the green. Now talking sector wise, when you look at it, the sectors which are actually buzzing in trade, seems like all the sectoral indices are trading in the green except for pharma, which is Nifty Pharma, which is trading with a slight negative bias, down almost 0.5%. But what is leading the rally today is metals, realty, PSU banks, as well as finance is also something that has been buzzing in trade today. Now individual stocks, let's look at individual stocks which have been buzzing. ICICI Bank is up as much as 5% in trade after an upbeat set of number coming in from the company. The bank's standalone profit is up fourfold on a year-on-year basis and has come in at 4,402 crore rupees versus 1,221 crore rupees on a year-on-year basis. This was mainly boosted by the higher interest income as well as lower provisionings from the company. Now the NII for the company is up by 17% on a year-on-year basis. So surely an upbeat set of numbers coming in from ICICI Bank and a strong up move in the stock as well. Mphasis, another stock which has been buzzing in trade today, up as much as 5 to 6% in trade after BCP Topco IX, along with Blackstone Capital Partners Asia and Blackstone Capital Partners, has announced an open offer to acquire 49.3 million Mphasis shares, which represents 26% of the expanding voting share capitals from the public shareholding, and this is at a value of 1,677.16 rupees per share. So that takes the aggregate value for this to 8,262 crore rupees. So this is what is keeping Mphasis in focus today. Natco, another stock which has been buzzing, up as much as 5% after the Indian drug maker has sought emergency approval for molnupiravir capsules, which is used for the treatment of COVID-19, and the company has applied it to the Central Drug Standard Control Organization in India for the approval of the phase 3 clinical trial of this drug. So this is what is keeping the stock in focus as well. M&M Financials, the stock is down as much as 8% in trade. It's dragging in trade today as the company's net profits have declined by 8% on a year-on-year basis and come in at only 216 crore rupees. And the net interest income also has slipped by 3.1%. So this is what is keeping the stock under pressure today. Indiabulls Realty stock up as much as 3% after the company has swinged into a profit in Q4 of rupees 94.4 crores versus a net loss last year of 110 crore rupees. So revenues also have jumped up to 732 crores from 116 crores nearly. So good jump in revenues as well as profits. Finally, the company seeing in a profit versus a loss last year. So up, the stock is up as much as 3%. That's Indiabulls Realty. ONGC, another stock which is slightly moving today, is up 1% after the oil minister asked the state-run explorer to sell stake in the producing oil fields and get foreign partners for the KG Basin gas field as well. So these are the stocks that are buzzing this afternoon.